Hi all, my name is Shiv Mehrotra and welcome to the market analysis for 17th of December 2021. Today I am having three equity stocks that are DLF, Tata Motors and Adani Enterprises. And जो भी आज का analysis होगा that is proper simple and you just have to mark the levels where what I would be uh, explaining you in this video. Okay, so the first stock जो मैं explain करने जा रहा हूँ वो है Tata Motors. And Tata Motors, if you see right here, I have plotted the patterns and Tata Motors is forming a ascending pattern जहाँ पे अगर Tata Motors 492.65 के ऊपर closing देता है तो we would go long and a first target that is it would be this right here 495.50 and after that we would scale according to the market momentum. जैसे जैसे मार्केट में मोमेंटम बिल्ड होगा वैसे वैसे हम अपने टारगेट्स लेते जाएंगे. ओके, हमारा स्टॉप लॉस इस ब्लू लाइन इस जो ब्लू लाइन है इसके नीचे होगा because we can see that market is taking support from here and also market gave a fake breakout right here from 200 moving average. So this 200 moving average would also act as a support. So after it would give a breakup from here, the first support would be this support because breakout के बाद ये रेजिस्टेंस सपोर्ट में टर्न हो जाएगा. उसके बाद सेकंड सपोर्ट 200 मूविंग एवरेज होगा एंड थर्ड सपोर्ट हमारा ये होगा. तो दीज आर थ्री गुड पॉइंट्स दैट वी कैन राइट इन अ जनरल जो हमारा एक स्टॉप लॉस को बचाने में एक्ट करेगा. ओके, now coming on the other stock that I have is DLF. So first of all, today DLF same goes for DLF. DLF is taking support from its 200 moving average and also it is consolidating in a zone. So if I just show you right here, so first of all in DLF we have seen a fall. आज DLF में पहले fall आया, ठीक है, इतना बड़ा fall आया 2% का लगभग 2% से ऊपर ही. उसके बाद फॉल के बाद मार्केट में स्टॉक ने मोमेंटम लूज करा एंड स्टॉक साइडवेज हो गया. तो अगर कल स्टॉक इस लेवल के 406.65 के ऊपर का ब्रेकआउट देता है तो वी वुड गो लॉन्ग एंड हम फिबोनाची की हिप से टारगेट लेंगे और हमारा फर्स्ट टारगेट 409.40 होगा. Okay, and similarly if it is making this at lower side that is at 403.25, so we would go short and we would take a target according to Fibonacci point or we would find if there is some sort of support down there. So on one time frame ये मैं आपके सामने लाइव करके दिखाता हूँ ताकि it becomes easy for you whenever you do analysis how we are approaching to our analysis. हमारा पहला होता है कि हम कैंडलस्टिक से देखते हैं एंड आफ्टर दैट इफ वी सी के मार्केट में इंफॉर्मेशन कुछ ज्यादा ही है या इंफॉर्मेशन कुछ भी नहीं है तो हम लाइन चार्ट पे जाते हैं बिकॉज लाइन चार्ट पे हमें बॉडीज के उससे इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है. तो इफ अगर मार्केट या अगर मार्केट इस लेवल को ब्रेक करता है तो एज डिस्कस जो अदर सपोर्ट है इफ यू कैन सी दिस 2 पॉइंट्स राइट हियर एट दिस पॉइंट, एक ये पॉइंट और एक ये वाला पॉइंट. सो ये दोनों पॉइंट सेम लेवल पर है. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं वाला एरो हटा देता हूँ. नाउ इफ आई मार्क फ्रॉम हियर सो यू कैन सी दैट दीज आर एट सेम पॉइंट दैट इज एट 400.40 जो एक साइकोलॉजिकल मार्क भी है बिकॉज व्हेनेवर they are there are zeros at the end. Basically I want to say कि जब भी नियर टर्म मार्केट वैल्यू होती है, नियर टर्म नंबर वैल्यू होता है तो मार्केट उस जगह से सपोर्ट लेता है एंड इफ यू कैन सी दैट मार्केट टुक सपोर्ट फ्रॉम हियर टू. सो जो ये कैंडल है इस कैंडल ने इधर से ही सपोर्ट लेके वापस एक बुलिश मोमेंटम आया. तो वी वुड बी मार्किंग दिस लेवल एज अ टारगेट इफ इट गिव्स अ ब्रेकडाउन from the levels of around 403.25. Okay, now the last stock that I have is Adani Enterprises. So same goes to Adani Enterprises. Adani Enterprises, right, it is forming a head and shoulders kind of pattern. This pattern basically we can take it, we can assume this pattern as a head and shoulders pattern, and if it is giving a breakdown at this level tomorrow at 1687.40, first of all we would go short. Okay, and second thing you should note here that right here also there is 200, there is support from 200 moving average. That is an important support, and ये support एक short term time के लिए बहुत important होगा, because अगर ये market नीचे break करता है 1687.40 पे, तो short term का momentum bearish हो जाएगा अदानी Enterprises का. Okay, and if it is breaking tomorrow, so we are going again. See why I'm going a line chart, because right here we can easily see that where is support. But if it gives a breakout from this area, after that we have to mark a target, and for marking a target you can see that we are not getting any clear views. So to get a clear view, we would just look at the line chart and just see where we were. Okay, so this thing, this second, third, I'm marking the line. First, second, this area third, this fourth, fifth. So now these are the fifth points that are acting as support and resistance, and for tomorrow it might become a target. Okay, so if it is giving a breakup from this area, we would go short, and a first target is 1677.75, and after that we would scale according to the market momentum. And same goes for the bullish momentum. The first area where market would be giving a breakout would be 1707. Okay, and after this, if it is giving a breakout and the body is closing above this level 1707, we would go long, and a first target would be up till here 1716.45. See, the targets are short. Comparatively, what we do earlier, the targets are short, but we have to react according to the market. And right now, market is in phase where market is in a kind of bubble. Either market would go down or market would go up. But whenever we do intraday, we have to play a bit safe. We have to save our capital, and also whatever entries we make, that should be according to the system or according to the plan that we have made. Okay, so the plan I have discussed with you, and I hope that you have made your system. And if you haven't, I would request you to watch all of our videos, because in every video we have said some points that would help you to recognize what kind of system you can build for yourself in stock market. So this was your analysis of tomorrow. I hope you liked it, and if you do like the video and comment on this, so that it could hit the YouTube algorithm and we could reach to maximum stock market enthusiasts like you. Thank you.